The group by SQL statement groups rows with the same values into groups. Group by is often used to extract a set of data from a bigger set of data in such a way that groups some columns together. For example, it may be used when listing customers in a country. Its aggregate functions further expand this functionality by letting us order customers by ID, selecting the average, minimum or maximum number of something, or ordering results in an ascending or descending fashion. As such, if you want to organize your data in groups and calculate some sort of aggregate statistics for these groups, the group by clause is what you need. This makes group by an indispensable tool for any data analyst working with databases. Provided that the group by SQL statement is often used with aggregate functions like count, min, max, sum, and average when grouping the results set by one or more columns, group by becomes even more powerful. Suppose we're running a bookstore and want to know how many books of different genres we have in stock. Since our database includes a table with titles, genres, and quantity of the books, we can use group by to visualize the data. Here we see how the group by clause creates groups from data in the table. In this example, group by groups the books of the same genre and sums up the corresponding quantities. This creates a result table that lists genres and their total quantity of books in stock. As such, we can use group by to calculate the total number of books of each genre, calculate the average, minimum or maximum price of books in each genre, or wiggle with quantities of the books or the data to derive actionable insights. The same applies to almost every other use case. We can also group data by multiple columns, and we can apply that knowledge to calculate the number of book titles by genre and language and get the number of titles in that category. Now we should have a better understanding of how group by can assist you in organizing and analyzing your data. Make sure to practice using group by and other statements to expand your knowledge, subscribe to see more content, and until next time.